in last financial year, that is from 1st April 23 to 30th March 24, Nifty has given 28% of profit, and Nifty small cap and Nifty mid cap has given 61% and 35% profit respectively. And if you check from the starting of the year, Nifty 50 has gone up by 15%. So profit, profit, profit. Who doesn't like making profit on their investment? But as Benjamin Franklin said, nothing is certain except death and taxes. So where there are profits, there are taxes as well. But is there any way to reduce or eliminate the taxes? Absolutely. You can reduce your taxes to zero. You heard it right. We will see in Excel how much tax you have to pay in different scenario if you have invested in share market, and what will be the actual CAGR or IRR after deducting latest tax rates. And at last we will talk about less known and less understood way to save tax